What is it now, Soundwave? Is it about the microwave again?
No, you've always been short. It's my boombox. It's not working.
You are kidding me, right? You literally transform into a boombox.
I haven't transformed into a boombox since 2009. Since then, I've been things like this.
I think you would have been better as a microwave.
What was that?
It's probably Blitzwing back from his interview.
No, I mean the doorbell.
I thought it would make the base more homey.
We literally blow up walls unannounced. We have done this since '84.
Okay, that will be... What the?
Hello there. I'm here to not pay my taxes.
Well, who cares? Let him in.
Hey guys.
How was your interview?
They asked me to do another small role again.
Join the club. I don't get a Voyager until next year, apparently.
Have people forgotten who I am?
Trust me, Hasbro did too.
What? What do you mean?
Look at yourself.
What?
Why don't you take a look at the screen? How is this you? You're not supposed to look like Starscream. I mean, you're not even the same color. You weren't even close.
I know. I remember the last interview I did for Earthspark.
I'm sorry, you're saying you're not Starscream?
No.
Okay. Thank you for coming. Next! Oh, not again. I said we're looking for a Starscream, not a Blitzwing.
I am Starscream, you imbecile!
Yeah, you're not fooling anyone. Out!
I need a new role. A role where I can be big again. Where I can be a main villain, a threat, and actually taken seriously.
Hey, Blitzwing, what are you doing? Why aren't you on set? Foxtron Prime wants you for Resistance Season 2.
Woo! I'm out of here!
I can't believe you guys asked us to do this again. Well, that's all, folks.
Like and subscribe to Foxtron Prime, or Grimlock will eat you.